Well, boys. We are at our second official home. You can't see any logos on the side, but we are at bloody MRPS Mechanical. MRPS Automotive, race car, chaser, EK, Civic maybe, EG, Mazda 3, S3. Holy hecker, boys. Oh, Mazda 6. Oh, my bad. From the top, boys. Well, boys, we are, if you couldn't already tell from the footage, we're dropping bloody Zandy's car off to MRPS Automotive. We got GR_Mabs back at it again with the mission. But we are obviously at MRPS, boys. Sirocco, Golf R race car, full roll cage, FIA production series, bloody good. We got a chaser up there. Holy hecker, Jay-Z. EK, Civic, I believe. Mazda 6. Plenty of juice in that bad boy. She's a built one. I think we've got a DC5 maybe, or a DC2 over there in the corner. The old red beast. And we have an 8LS3. Holy hecker. 1.8 litre. This one's actually quite special, lads, because he is running, or she, no idea who. They are running a Link ECU. So, pretty cool. Plug and play. Not bad at all, eh?
When I push, I feel good. When I pull, I feel good. When I push, 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 push. When I push, I feel good. When I pull, I feel good. When I push, 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 push. You better move. I feel good. When I pull, I feel good. When I push, 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 push. When I push, I feel good. When I pull, I feel good. When I push, 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 push.
Oosh, boys. Welcome back to bloody Sunday bookings. We have Mr. Aero 000 in black or shadow black chrome RPF ones for the boys. In for a sump replacement. So he's hit a rock or a boulder. Shout out to Meraki down in NZ. Let's see if we can have a look. Not really, but it is over in this corner somewhere. But drain bung's been dropped, I guess, and then we'll show you the damage once we pull it off. But yeah, shouldn't be too bad of a job in the grand scheme of things. But yeah, 7.5 grid edition, looking pretty schmicko, boys. Looking pretty schmick. Hoosh, boys. Well, hopefully I don't trip on myself. But bloody done. So 7.5 grid edition, sump replacement, bloody done. So not too shabby in the grand scheme of things. But yeah, good for timing as well. So we'll cut to the test drive footage now.
Firm no L's, I'm taking dubs. Come like Jonathan Shalit. You look good natural, fuck with that makeup, baby. Close that palette. Slide round here, I'm all in her ear. Babe, let me work my magic. Yo, the same little boys that's claiming they're rich, they walking the shop and don't cause no damage. I they don't hit me, say I don't miss. Come like calling my shots on target. When no contact, cause I've been working. Her and her friends keep saying I'm heartless. Toy the bay, I'm an artist. I walk in and my pockets the
boys. Well, second customer of the bloody day. We've got a 7.5 GTI. Holy hecker, boys. Looking pretty schmicko. Not bad. But yeah, minor service. Nice and easy. Full stocky boy, this one. Holy hecker. And Aftermarket battery! Woo! But let's bloody get these apples. Oosh, boys, and just like that, we're bloody done. Shout out to the good guys at Chemical Guys. Wheel and tyre detail bloody done. Let's rock over here. We got the engine bay detail bloody done. Not bad at all. And we got our new bloody stickers, lads. Proudly serviced by RJ Motorsports. And we've also got new service stickers. Holy hecker. Shout out to Liquid Molly. Shout out to Ryko. Holy hecker. But let's cut to that test drive footage bloody now.
That I roll with a clip full of members, shocked that she yelling out rotted. Girl try say that I'm so conceited, full of myself. Or you think I don't know that? I do my little dance with a grill in my mouth, gritting my teeth like I'm doing up Kodak. Met a few snakes and I really can't go back. All day I don't sleep, take no nap. Shorty, come try spinning the block. Fuck with the memories, this on a throwback. Income multiple ways, and my bro said pick lemonade. The bad B calling me baby and calling me my man. Said I got multiple names.
Boys, well, successful bloody diagnose for the 1,000 horsepower RS3. Shout out to old Lenny Dog. Listen to it, boys. Oh. Holy hecker. That's mint. Holy. Ooh, Shires Q3, boys, and a Q plate. Holy hecker. ABT edition. And then maybe like a little A5, A4,
S-line.
8Y. Not bad. Oosh, boys. Well, Sandy's 7.5 Golf R Stage 3 bloody fixed. Shout out to bloody MRPS for hooking us up with some diagnosing. Part of their flex fuel package. This is the R&D car for MRPS. So yeah, help us out with some diagnosing. So bloody good. So we're about to go for a bit of a test drive now. Hopefully it's fixed. And we got Mabs here. Shout out to old Mabby boy. GR_ no Instagram. How do you feel about the fix of Xander's car, mate?
Yeah, good.
Yeah?
Yeah, surprised you couldn't figure it out.
Oh, right, okay.
Is what it is.
Ah, thanks, bro. Appreciate it.
No, that's all good.
And, of course, we've got old GR_ Mabs / hashtag no Instagram. But looking pretty schmicko. But, yeah, let's get on this bloody test drive and hopefully she's fixed. Well, here's old Zandy boy's engine. But as you can see, this bolt down here was the one that was leaking. So we sealed that up, which is good. And looking pretty schmicko. Full carbon, boys. Holy hecker. Even the headlight brackets, full carbon. ECU and fuse cover, carbon. Battery carbon. APR intake carbon. And even the coolant bottle carbon. Holy hecker, boys. Holy hecker.
Praying to God, please show me the light, cause the trap house looks like Hollister. Spoke to my mumsy on the weekend, told her I'm gonna be a G to the end. But this time man are doing it legal. The police can't see me again. They can't see me again. They can't see me again. They can't see me again.